Okay, this is at Ellis Island. The construction is in full progress. It's a second floor or it's an overlook. I'm not sure. But what's weird is this entrance that used to be right there is now closed off. They had the front one closed off, and now they got the side one closed off. Enter here, main entrance closed. This is the hotel. Don't stay there unless you're absolutely desperate. Absolutely desperate. Probably one of the worst hotels in Vegas, right there. Right there. But, you know, if you bring your own sheets that don't have bed bugs, well, allegedly, you'd be all right. But it's hard to bring your own sheets. At some point, they'll tear this down. They got to do it sooner than later. Such a valuable piece. Look at how close it is to the strip. It's such a valuable piece of property. Go ahead and knock it down. Here's the Christmas display for Ellis Island.
Alright, we'll get it.
They need to not play those anymore.
Oh boy, they've got a lot of it blocked off. A lot of it. That wall there was not there before. They've moved everything into this small area. Well, at least they still have the high limit room. Yeah, this is where I play. I got 50 cents. I'm not playing 10. I'm not playing 20. I'm playing 50. Ooh, that's a big roller right there. Oh my God. Somebody got rich tonight. Okay, wow, they are really remodeling. Is the restaurant still open? Metro Pizza. Wow.
You're a friend of Molly's.
Well, I hope this doesn't take long because they are shutting out a lot of their casino. So the restaurant's here, Village Pub. It's open. And then this is open. I usually do karaoke here every night. Yeah.
get you one way or another. You wanna see that? I wanna meet you one day, maybe next week. I wanna meet you. I wanna meet you.
Well, there's no way I'm gonna beat that, so I'm not gonna do karaoke tonight. There's no way I can win that $1,000. Okay, so it's forcing a lot of people out here, you would think, but not really. Okay, let's see what's up here. We got a Christmas tree up here. A very generous crowd with him. Okay, well, it is Wednesday, but I promise you, Formula One is the cause of this, because even on Wednesday, this place would definitely be half full. Wow. But they are under construction. Good time for them to do that while they can't do any business because of the traffic. Well, since I can't win karaoke. So I wonder what happened to Metro Pizza that used to be right there. They have other locations. I wonder if they're going to come back. Something's going on behind these walls. I do not have my chainsaw with me, because I've got my smaller backpack tonight.
I didn't. I can't.
Well, we do a 20% minimum. So
Did you leave?
My other back. Oh, look at this. The barbecue restaurant. They moved the slots in here. So the barbecue restaurant is no longer. You have to order it in the other restaurant. You can still get it. Huh. Well, this is weird. Yeah, this is where I would look at the chef preparing the ribs. Okay, that's a $1 pop-up crabs.
You should. Please.
$1, none of your business crabs. Let's see what this is. 10. See if they have a 5. 25. Okay, this is a $5 traditional craps. At least they still got that. This is $5 right here. See the odds. Can't see the odds. I just got paid $120. Okay, this is very weird. It's really chaos in here, believe it or not. I mean, it's, but when I say believe it or not, it's kind of cool. I would have loved to have seen how they moved all these machines. They're good about not interrupting their business. That means they did it at 7 o'clock in the morning, 6 or 7 in the morning, not 4 like you would think, because there's still people drunker than all hell at 4.
Yeah, if it goes down, you can
Yeah, it's a mess, but don't let that discourage you from coming to Ellis Island, especially if you're on foot. It's not that big of a deterrent. Can't wait to see what they're doing. I mean, this is gonna be a long time though, because this is a massive expansion. This is gonna be a pretty big casino. Very impressive. So hopefully when they're finished, there'll be no more Formula One. That's what they're thinking. That's what I think they're thinking. All right, that's it for Ellis Island. You want me to talk any more about Formula One? No.